So hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So an important video related to the Jadavpur decentralized counseling. So yeah friends, finally Jadavpur University have released the complete notification for the decentralized counseling. So in this video I will talk about the complete detail about the Jadavpur decentralized counseling. What will the process, what is the eligibility criteria for all that, okay? So if you are new viewer to my channel, then don't forget to support my channel for providing such important updates. So let me talk about the important notification that is latest released by the Jadavpur University, JU. So clearly you can notify that Faculty of Engineering and Technology, Jadavpur University and information broker for the decentralized counseling. So as you know that decentralized counseling is happen for only those seats that is vacant, okay? That is the first year UG degree program, okay? So this is the notification, or you can say decentralized counseling for first year UG degree program in engineering, technology, architecture and pharmacy. What are the eligibility criteria for getting admission through the decentralized counseling? So भाई decentralized counseling के लिए क्या criteria है? First is that candidate with a valid GMR of WBJ 2022 and have passed class 12th exam. Means you must have to be apply for the WBJ 2022 and you have passed the class 12th exam. That's all. Students already admitted to UG degree program under FET, JU and either continue or have withdrawn from the same may also apply. Means if you have withdrawn your seat, then you can also apply again, guys. Okay? Then for engineering, technology and pharmacy courses, candidate must have a valid WBJ 2022, that is the GMR within the 10,000 for general candidates and any valid WBJ 2022 GMR for SC, ST, OBC. Means if you want to apply for this, then means for the pharmacy and engineering courses you must have rank under the 10,000, okay? Above the 10,000 you can't apply for this, guys, okay? And for SC, ST candidates, you have any rank, you are eligible for that. Then other eligibility, that is the 10 plus 2 and individual pass marks, okay, minimum 60%. That I think that you are very well known about that, okay? And 45% for SC, ST and OBCA, OBCB, PW candidates. For architecture courses, candidate must have a valid WBJ GMR for all category with candidate must qualify for NATA. Means if you want to take admission through architecture courses, then you must qualify in NATA, that is the National Aptitude Test in Architecture. And this is all the criteria that you can read. Now important things I want to share here, the reservation of seats. So domicile quota, there are some domicile quota, means candidate must be domicile of West Bengal for admission to all seats under open home state SC, ST, OBCA, OBCB, PW candidates. Means if you want to take admission to the reservation quota, that is the domicile quota, then you must be domicile of West Bengal, guys, okay? And these are the certain criteria and conditions that I have already talked. You can also read that, but I will just talk the important things here, guys. Now reservation criteria you can read that, okay, for PW and all things. Now important thing, that is the seat matrix. So starting vacancy seat matrix of each day will be published at 8 p.m. on the previous evening. Means at each every day on the previous evening the seat matrix will be released, that kitna vacant seat hai kitna nahi hai bhai, okay? So starting vacancy seat matrix for each day will be published at 8 p.m. on the previous evening. Means previous evening, just one day evening भाई 8 p.m. को आपको चेकआउट करना है मकआउट JU की वेबसाइट पे, and there you can check the what are the number of seats that is vacant and your chances, guys, okay? Vacancy matrix is dynamic and vacancy for a particular course under category may increase, so it may increase or decrease depending on the particular term and condition. Unfilled seats for PW candidates, if any, will be filled by non-PW candidates of the same category. Means if there are some vacancy of seat arises for the PWD, then it will be filled with the general or other category. There is no TFW seats in the decentralized counseling. I think you are very well known about that. For decentralized counseling, no TFW seats criteria. Application, so you can apply from this website. I will provide link in the description too, from where you can apply that, okay? And what are the eligibility criteria? So eligible candidates are to fill up the online application form to exercise their willingness, and the important dates is the 10th November 2022 to midnight of 15th November 2022. So you have to note down this day, and if you wanna apply for the JU, then you have to apply within the 15th November midnight, means up to 12 p.m. guys, okay? Applicants need not have to mention their preferred choice of courses during online application. They have to exercise the choice during the respective counseling based on the ability of the at the instant. Means you can't if you don't want to give the choices, then you can't give the choice, okay? And this is the very important section, that is the point number 5, reporting and document verification. So no candidates shall normally be allowed to take part in counseling and admission after his or designated reporting time. Means after waiting, basically after submitting the form, you will basically allotted particular branches, all things, and you have to allot, or you can say report, that particular university or JU at the time that you have already given. No changes in the time will be allowed, guys. और अगर आप लेना चाहते हो then be careful. What are the important documents that require for that? So decentralized reporting form, performer to be downloaded from admission portal. So I will provide link in the description from where you can download the performer too. So this is the decentralized reporting form. Second important document required to take that Aadhaar card of the candidates, rank card issued by WBJ 2021, rank card of NETA, means if you are applying for the architecture courses, then rank card of NETA 2022, admission card, mark sheet and certificate of Madhyamik or equivalent examination. When class 10th and 12th you will need all tips, means sorry, all certificate, that is the admit card, mark sheet and certificate. Valid SC, ST, OBC, means if you want to take admission, so means basically particular category, then you must show the valid SC, ST. If you don't show this, then your seat will be cancelled and no other chances will be given, guys. So be careful. Then proof of family income for parent guardian from IT document or from the competent government authority, means you have to give the family income, means complete detail, guys. Okay. Candidates already admitted in UG first year FET JU session 2023 continue with the admission, not apply or withdrawal, are willingly to appear in decentralized counseling. Means if you want to apply again, then you can apply for that. WBJ PI admin reporting sheet showing the admission confirmation, admission money receipt of JU obtained from during the admission 2023. Means this is the basically term and condition for the candidates already enrolled in JU. Okay, so you have to submit these documents, guys. Then counseling and admission, counseling will be according to WBJ GMR rank only, and according to GMR you will be allotted branches, okay, according to the vacancy. Eligible candidates will be called according to WBJ 2022 GMR, and after verification of the document he shall get option to choose the course admission based on the available vacancy. It means whether you want to choose or not, you have to simply choose that. Next, after that any vacancy arises, then you will basically, this is the basically dynamic process. So if suppose any candidates don't take admission, then you will allotted that seat. Okay. Then point number 6.5, very important, that is the fee receipt. Okay, so this is the fee that you have to submit. Just nominal charges for the except IT student 5,210, and for the IT student 30,360 for admission to department. Okay, and JU admitted students, so if you have already admitted to JU, then for except IT student rupees 10 and IT student 25,160. Okay, and the for fresh candidates, again I am saying that except IT 5,210 and IT student 30,360, and you can do in cash or card. So this is the complete notification of the Jadavpur University, and these are the some rules and regulation or important notice, okay, that you can read, that confirmation of application, schedule reporting, not guarantee that admission. Okay, means that completely depend on the number of seat vacant. It will not guarantee that yeah you will certainly get allotted particular branch or not. Guardian are not allowed in the counseling hall. अगर counseling hall में अगर जा रहे भाई, then don't go with your guardian. Okay, they have clearly mentioned that. All notification regarding it, can you get through this? I will provide link in description too. So guys, this is the complete notification of the JU decentralized counseling that already started. So if you want to apply for that, then go and apply that. I will provide link in the description. And if you have doubt relating to anything, then you can comment here. I will reply as soon as possible. Hope video was informative to you. Meet you in the next video. Jai Hind.